morning. I wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you because you're right. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back on YouTube. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. So guys, today is Thursday, and for my first video I wanted to show you guys like what I usually do like every day, like a day in my life. And yeah, so I want to have my breakfast, then go to school, and then I'll see you guys when I get there. So I'll be
Geisha is a shiny.
Araka.
Geisha is a shiny.
Sema. Geisha is a shiny soap. Araka.
Geisha is a shiny soap.
Geisha is a shiny
Soap.
Najaribu kukwambia
Geisha is a shiny.
Araka.
ukiweka katikati ya nini.
Guys, so our first class bounce, yeah, and we are going for lunch, for Monday. Tumetoka lunch and tumeingia workshop class. I want to change and yeah.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away.
This is the actual project that we are supposed to do.
Plumber at work. Plumber at work. Plumber at work.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's gonna keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My how you got my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Home cheese, peach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an images how we play. Sitting next to you.
This is a manhole. Tunafanya kazi ya mjengo, but anyways, it is what it is.
Nakulanga kwanza kuku. Nakula. Kwa tamu.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's gonna keep these feelings to myself.
The fitness in this.
My how you got my rocket love. We can get away. Home cheese, peach views, and
Hello. So thank you so much for watching my vlog video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Now plus, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you like and leave a comment or tell me like the video ideas you want me to post. So, and if you have not watched my previous uploads, please go and watch, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
come through, I think I need you.